Hey folks, Jared Ogden, former Navy SEAL, here with Triumph Systems. What you just saw in time lapse took about 30 minutes and less than $50 worth of scrap lumber. And you can do this and make any boring pistol range challenging and dynamic. We're going to practice two-man room entries and the importance, come on in, all the active shooters that we are seeing in our country. If you're a deputy or an officer and you have to respond to one of these situations, don't be a liability. Know how to get in there and save lives. And with that, we're going to go hot.